Hi, everybody. This starts a series of, I think, just 3 videos on probability. My approach to teaching probability in this class has really changed. It used to be historically that, classes of this nature, like the one I took as an undergraduate, would include a considerable amount of probability. I mean, literally weeks upon weeks. However, what I've seen is that a lot of the stuff that we used to teach as probability wasn't really particularly useful. It wasn't the sort of stuff that you actually need to apply. It was more about learning a bunch of obscure probability theory. So I've really shaved down this section to be just the relevant stuff, just the handful of things that we need to understand what a probability is. All right, so to start with, I bought a lottery ticket, a Dia de los Muertos lottery ticket, and I wanted to use that to demonstrate some concepts of probability. The California website lists the odds of winning various prizes, and we can actually use that as an introduction to probability, because I think some of us have maybe an intuitive sense of what odds are. So what are odds? Well, it's how likely something is to happen. It's a way to express that. And really, that's all that a probability is. It's just probabilities are in a specific form. So here are the various odds. For example, there's 1 in 8 odds of winning a free ticket. So that if we divide 1 by 8, that actually gives us a value in a probability form, 0.125. Probabilities are going to range from 0 to 1. 0 being never happens, 1 being always happens. You can convert this to a percentage. This just means 12.5% of the tickets are going to 12.5% of the people are going to win free tickets. Winning $2, the odds are listed there as 1 in 17. That means that the probability is just 1 divided by 17, so 0.059. Almost 6% of the tickets are $2 winners. And you can see, of course, as the prize levels go up, the odds get much, much, much slimmer. So this also tells us that if we win, the most likely prize will be a free ticket. So what's the chance that we won $1,000, the top prize on this $1 scratcher? Well, that's just 1 in 480,000. So if we divide 1 by 480, it comes out to 0.0000208. So 5 zeros in 8. If we convert that to a percentage, it's 0.0000208%. So a very, very rare occurrence. Probably only 1 prize of that size with all of these tickets. All right, so what exactly is a probability? Probability is the likelihood of an event expressed as a proportion. 1 in 8 odds isn't a probability. It's technically not actually odds either. 12% chance of winning is not a probability, but it's close. That 0.125 value, that would be an actual probability. And we would note it like this: P is equal to 0.125. Once you start reading research articles in some of your more advanced classes, what you'll see is statements like this really are all over research papers in their results section.